Hi, good morning, everyone. So today we are going to talk about branch policy and what are the branch policies which we can, apply on DevOps repos branch. So let's go quickly to branch. In last video, we had discussed that how you can import your, source code from source remote, to your DevOps. So we have, imported successfully our this branch from the GitHub to the DevOps. So let's go back to branch, and if click on branch, you can see all the branches are there. So I just want to apply some policy on this branch, so I can just click on branch policies. After clicking on this, you can see the side panel is opening, and there are a number of settings which you can just set. So let's say if you are working on big enterprise application and you are developing a very big software, so there could be a team of multiple developers working together to uh, materialize that particular product to the end user. So for doing that, multiple developers may work parallelly on same file or multiple different files. So there could be a conflict, there could be uh, uh, issue for the code tracking and all. So how you can manage all those stuff means how you can force your developer, or you can just ask your developer that, guys, you have to follow certain rules that set on the branch policy. So branch policy is basically to maintain the integrity of the branch and sovereignty of the branch, so that it cannot be mess for organization later on. So you can see these are the policies which you can just turn on and off as per your requirement. Require minimum number of reviewers. So if you want somebody trying to create a pull request into the main branch, before that you want a certain people to have a look on the code, or changes which were done by the particular developer, and after having a look, if everything looks good, then if they are approving, then only the developer would be able to proceed further, or would be able to merge their local branch into the master branch. So you can see minimum number of reviewers required. And if you see all these other options are there which you can set later on. And if you come in the bottom, the second option is that check for the linked work item. So if you want to force developers to link their work item on which they were working with the pull request, you can just simply turn this on, and they have to do it. You can either keep it optional or required. Another option is there, check for the comment resolution. So let's say somebody or some people in your organization has commented on their pull request. They have asked to change certain code which were not good, or which can create bug or can crash system. So developer can go back, take the branch back to their local machine, do the changes, and again they can uh, push the changes. After pushing the changes, they can make the resolve, or commenter who has commented on this, they can mark it resolve. Limit of merge types. So you can see these are the uh, basic rules which you can also apply in your branch. Build validation. So if you want uh, your the local branch to be built first successfully, and after successfully compiling the code and building the code, then only the developer should be able to take their source code from local branch to the main branch. You can set this on, or you can just add this build pipeline, you can add to your pipeline. And as of now we have not added any pipeline, but you can later point of time you can add your pipeline. After adding pipeline, you would be able to see that pipeline in your drop down option while add build changes. And these are the settings for the pipeline which you can set up in your YML file, or in your configuration file. So that we'll talk in later video. Status check. Check the status for the other services to be completed. Automatically include reviewers. And if you want automatically include certain people who are optional, you can just add those people, and those people will be added. They will be required. If you are willing to keep them optional, you can just keep them optional, otherwise you can leave it on required. For pull request, affect these folders. You can mention that folder name as well. Allow the requester to approve their own changes. If you want to allow, if a developer has committed something, and if you want to give access to him that he himself can do the allow or approve the changes, you can just set it on and you can save it. So all the policies are set on this branch. So minimum two reviewers will be able to make the able to review the code, and after having code review done, then only the developer can do so. So how we can just check if the validation is working and the validation is there at the point? So we can just go to the branches, and if you want to go to this branch, we'll go to pull request. So let me create a pull request for this branch, and select source branch, gen patch 1, update, and create. So you can see the uh, I think we have set the rules on the different branch. So let's abandon this. So you can abandon the pull request by just click on reject, then you can click abandon. So this will be abandoned, and if you go to the pull request, it will be in the abandon section. So we have set the branches. So this was the Angular branch. So let me create a pull request, new pull request into Angular dashboard, and then master. So we have to set policy on the master, and before that I just want to go to branches. After going to branches, go to master, and there you can just go at the bottom. And if you want to keep this master branch at top, you can just check this star mark, so that this branch will always come on top for you. So go to manage branches, branches policy, and for this I will just set two reviewers on, and I will come back to my branch, and coming back I will go to, again I will go to this branch has branch has policy. So if you see this symbol, it means the policy which we had applied has been successfully implemented. So let's go to the pull request, create a pull request from your patch to master, and if you see, create. So at least two reviewers must approve. So this you can see now the uh, policy is working, and the policy is at the place. So you can just see that it at least two reviewers must approve these changes, then only this particular developer will be able to take this code ahead, and they can merge that particular code in the master branch. So this was a little small tutorial regarding how you can set the policy on Microsoft DevOps branch, and how you can manage branches. So we will come up with the new video in our next uh, topic. So we'll cover lots of new services which are given by Azure DevOps team. So hope you would have enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel. Till then, take care, and we'll keep bringing new topic for you, so that you can explore Azure DevOps in more detail, and you can be master of this by the time you get into the organization. By the time you are if you are completing your uh, degree, or you are in the last semester, you can start doing so. And if you are fan of understanding and learning cloud based technology, so you can just start watching our videos. That will definitely gonna help you out, and it will add skill set on your resume. So till then, take care, bye. We'll come up with the new topic in next video. Thank you.